Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Szanto vintage plated diver watch. So this is a very simple and sort of classically designed diver's watch. Szanto were inspired by the old-fashioned watches, the old-fashioned military watches. Very, very simple faces, very easy and quick to read. So no sort of numbers or complications in there. You've got the date, you've got the time, all of the hands and the dials and whatnot. They're all sort of covered in very, very, I think they call it super luminous material. So very, very bright, especially in the dark. You have a rotating bezel for the scuba divers, so you can sort of set the start of the dive, and then as the minute hand turns, it tells you exactly how long you've been under the water. Quartz movement, so very reliable. Waterproof down to 200 meters, so that's far deeper than even I can go. You've got that screw down crown as well. Everything about it is a little bit sort of oversized. You've got decent sort of grip on the bezel and that crown as well, so even if you're wearing gloves you can still sort of adjust it. This one has leather straps, and these are waterproof leather straps. They're made for water sports, so they're not going to go all funny if you take them in and out of the water. They're nice and chunky. They're about 22 millimeters wide as well, so you can sort of swap them out really easily as well. This is the plated version, so this is sort of bronze plated, but that just gives it a little bit of added protection and a bit of added style as well to the outside of the metal work. It's stainless steel, but this plating just makes it a little bit harder and gives it that sort of antique-y finish. On the back, I'll just show you that. So you can change the battery, traditional style, and yeah, just genuine leather straps. You've got a pair of strap retainers as well for the big chunky straps. Nice gift, but yeah, great for scuba diving, but you can wear this day to day at the office, wherever you want. A great, tough, reliable dive watch. And this is the Szanto vintage plated dive watch. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.